Realme is now expanding its products by launching their first tablet device, Realme Pad, in India. The latest Android tablet was launched at an event on Thursday. In the event, we can see that this Realme Pad tablet is packed with 10.4-inch diagonal LCD panel with WUXGA Plus resolutions. The screen of this smart device also supports brightness levels of up to 360 nits and a screen-to-body ratio of 82.5%. Weighing 440 grams, this tablet is also packed with front camera with 8-megapixel resolutions that perch on the side frame in the landscape orientation. Realme Pad is also equipped with an 8-megapixel rear camera which is placed in the upper left corner. The performance of this Realme Pad is supported by the Helio G80 chipset from MediaTek. The chip is paired with 2 RAM and internal memory options, 3GB/32GB and 4GB/64GB. Its storage capacity can be expanded up to 1TB via the microSD slot. Each Realme Pad model has 2 different types of connections, Wi-Fi only and models that can connect to an LTE network or use a SIM card.